Ipom pimpima wasa on yade no ano ntimi nka yema mu ha ana monone hepatitis, typhoid, diabetes, ulcer, emuyade, ohona mu netutu, sisi mu yawo, kronko yade be, pressure na also, prostate, beka yade be na maja yade be. Doctor ibete ne te amosi udadem. Na doctor sa ono mu ye adwuma no, omo nimde enti ohombe to tie. Ayaresabie kutamfidi papa, omo krafi amonone. Ebi ne massaging equipment, diagnostic equipment. Omo sawo detoxification machines. Machine yade efin ane no mabone a emo ni padua no efri ni padua nim de hom no se o ma na ya bibidro no mo de wafa emfidie mu ahu ya de kro ansana o mo de account o mo ya adwuma abrebia o mo giri nipa honti o mo no border from kra o mo number 0240 22 69 24 ana 0248 503 189 yanko Boakwa Herbal Clinic ewo Achimoda Bangalo Ahonjo Junction ajabo de fiewa na obesipi na wasi udadem Boakwa Herbal Clinic ya boom wapomudin SCP.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ne enwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mbreko pa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni ba bia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Eno ane se anopa ne nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi o ba bi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia ba ko ensan Kumasi Edu, Urepash Heba, Okaishi Akra, Letufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA aji ejedi nkratu yato.
Meji wodi sa oya de nyina sutumfo.
We de yo, men no masanu bio.
Mame he, e de adura.
Eye chidie heba mixture.
Afa no wahu no. Aduru we na no me dedem ha mintimi sorry. Me nom ya, mitimi sorry. Sadri, se ohonam eya wo ya anase ebia. Ope immune booster. Ni paduam ana etwetwe wo. Wonom a utimi sole prekompe. Etu ya dias. Omunsan ewo inkunimdie heba mixture. Obi a owo stomach pains, ulcer anase ontimi ndidi. Menstrual disorder, menstrual pains. Adura etimi ne pa eye nkunimdie heba mixture.
Na edrum ye nu we nko an omo ye.
Dabi yade bia how bia. Omo wo anu adrum e wo ho.
Manu mo ya me ho atomi die. Me pese me call mo ho mo wo fa hin.
Kwakwesi edu heba center for e wo akem asubu a e ho e na obehu wo. Ope bia pa. Drugstore bia e wo mfichi. Pharmacy shop. Herbal shop bia ebi e wo ho. Akem asubu a main station wo pe Kojo drugstore ebi wo ho. Sanso na Cecilia Ata nkwantanum oda. Ubenya bi wo na Chimasi drugstore. Madalena Hotel Aseope. Papa ya meka na sem oyodifo ankasebu. Enti se wo sunsumu amane sunsumu ha. Fakodan kwakuase edu heba center and prayer camp. Na we yade e be flu so. Anase wo be fro difo kwasha e wa homa we so 0545 595070 and 0247 037564. Kwakuase edu heba center. Nubra ene hahama fie ene.
Hey, Ajiwa, why you fine pal? Last me who what the nenya kra.
Ejedu me dase. Salo bie kon. Na senka mi wuo, malaria. Na mintimi ndidi, mintimi na awo ni tipaye. Madam Fubi, ene to edro bi frita kwa de bre me. Na fever mix. Jayo edro no. Aboa me papa. Ejedu. Enya agro.
Hey, na fever mix na jo sa no. Edisa. Sedro no. Malaria chiri me menhia no akasem to me. Menum wiase no nyina bi. Na malaria ita me so. Na fever mix na je me. Ehu o, mesemeso me no to aba ko pe obi ehu me ano wakanfo.
Na see ejedu sese bi kuna ne ho akire no koko ha no okote fie moja ni sisi ama wo bre sese na ho den kura akofo
ampa oba ukunu de ne koko jedro we koma no na heba mix madamfo ye je wa hia no akekoko kum no madamfo re kire senka koko ya de ne ma ne ho adwodwo sese otimi bodwuma wi ne anadwo na heba mix no eya bibidro ne timi koko pa be ma na oba se wa hwi ya koko be mu abokokura mo anabre wa mo no se koko fifiri obi anase e ma no posene ni anane sisi ne koko ye wo bia ono no na heba mix woni problem na fever mix ene na heba mix Nremi no yenta uto we ya no ato we ene jai.
Wo achim achiase now Herbal Ventures e wo station hope. Achim Odan LB Amoafo Pharmacy, Ochiniba Pharmacy, Kennedy Pharmacy, Walgreens Pharmacy, any Omemu Drugstore, Herbal, any pharmacy shop bia. Ubenye biato.
0244 774 206.
A janum and nanum way, mediasem danamu, a Vision Vocational Training Institute. Aye bomon samana name VVTI. Almost bra. No montete strong with the following subjects na under catering. Your cake decoration and sugar craft, pastries, floral and interior decoration, textiles, tie and dye, cloth making, screen printing, and so fashion and design, beads making. Yanya bibrem anyaneno. Ye the best show kwanya obe faswa. Ubetimi edia ye ada ni nyoma bebre. Leather works in so show. Na ya chro senior yesi ye mpaboa. Ye bet show adepam, hairdressing. Na ye wia ye the electrical, PC, ana woodworks edia pay so core subject entrepreneurship, social studies, science, English, and maths, ICT. Aye bonus. Mama papa bana wo wie school no. Omodian se odene beba eye Vision Vocational Training Institute. So watch richly announce benche. Oh, uni how cra. Hostel come on. Ewo ho edemam. Kayo see ye G emema ne ma nyina. Hwehwe Vision Vocational Training Institute. Ewo
Atim Abuabo Adotai Junction ho. Anase wasa ekropon abuansie ho a.
Fresa human 0240 802009. Fawensu kan
0245 516 600.
Vision Vocational Training Institute. Have vision, achieved success.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
One day we'll have a story to tell. Although they say they wish me well, I got a bunch of fakers on myself. It took me time to realize the love they shown was a thread in disguise. Say come and yeah, I look up to the skies. You're my only hope to make my future bright. Yeah.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
I hustle, tell you who I bless me. Been on this road since I was 13. Be quite my muna, my ready. I'm a son of mercy. I hustle, tell you who I bless me. Been on this road since I was 13. Be quite my muna, my ready. I'm a son of mercy. I hustle, tell you who I bless me. Been on this road since I was 13. Be quite my muna, my ready. Lord, say puni moto swallowed up in the windows. Yanti me di on the big shows. Me coming up man on your big say yanti me di and let it come with sick flows. Me Tisha keep me on my 10 toes. My music let it win a lot souls. My minya sikanu be brave to support my bros and buy me a Lambo. Cause it's been a long time coming now, so still I'm here. My yanti me di bi oje mesre. When sansu nyeti asensu oje. Yeah, yeah. It's been a long time coming and so still I'm here. Yeah, my auntie me dimbi a James. When sans yet I say so cause I'm a son of mercy. I hustle tell you who I bless me. Been on this road since I was 13. Be quite my muna, my ready. son of mercy. I hustle, tell you who I bless me. Been on this road.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Been on this road since I was 13.
Have a blessed day.
Ready.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Instagram and they watch like TV. Baby, drop more picture. How they feel? What's that imagine? What's that imagine? What's that imagine? What's that imagine? Make a like, make a comment, make a tell them for here, make it cement. Oba check you DM, check you DM. Moishani been to me no see them. Yeah, what doing the share me in the PM. I now see them.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
If I was to be your lover, sure you know go want I'm undercover. Call me your number one lover. I get you plenty things you feel discover. If I give you all my love, you know go get a mini me. Oh my baby body wo, not let anybody see. Oh my this kind body make them fall in free.
Have a blessed day.
Anytime you call,
Radio Papa, Abuzik,
baby, my temple, my tintinini.
Radio Papa, Abuzik.
I said I know get to yawa tintinini, so your body get to fire.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
She tell me say that is my love, you hold that on some. Anytime you come around, you be the matter. Get the hands start, sing it right now. This your body, girl, I swear I'm she find that.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Woda jinanga makoda prison. Woda jinanga madani beheading. Woda jinanga madani junkie. Woda jinanga mesilwana medi. Meso meda jinanga me ya dangote. Meda jinanga me ya mama. Meda jinanga me ya kofuwado ma. Too much money follow me. Shame on you, oh. 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 Shame on you, oh.
Hello Ghana, this is a girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Woda jinanga madani junkie ya mama shia kansono. Woda jinanga mesilere medi ya mama jia mama fono. It's a woda jinanga me da bola. Unya yanka mini kafa. Mimi daji na kama hiti sa shata wale bamba koko feature Beyonce. Udaji na nka mini dama. Unya yanka mini simpua. Mimi daji yanka, bidaji yanka. Bidaji na kama Ibrahim Mahama. Bidaji na kama Kofi Aban. Bidaji na kama Kennedy Japan. Me that fight too much money follow me. Shame on you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Shame on you. 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 Miss Ramu will be catcher Kwame, despite Ministry country seminti minya Kwame, despite Charlie Jammy or Mentry. My sorry, I'm a puff from Mohammed, this account come on you too far to say the digging. We are the end mine. And so, what I do not can I'm a strain, I'm a Diana, Medajunan come at your charm and a Subia. What I do not come, Bema, I am Resto Dr. Musin, name loyalty, a best or real, you know, so pay me. Tell me, what I do not come in, name a sample. That's a hidden and console, me pimp him and a champo. Medajunan come in Yali Mahama and a Chescani, I'm a Siam, a Sheshia, when you want to such a chat.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I'm a pupa. Shady water side for me. Oh, Mama low. Cause every day I'm hustling. Just love me intentionally. I don't want no temporary. Go down and bust it for me. Yeah. Just love me intentionally. I don't want no temporary. Go down and bust it for me. Yeah. I know you're taking your time.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Shake for me, make us spray my money. Take money, mommy rob me, you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Life too short, I don't wanna live here. I hear in heaven there is no beer. With my people, I saw with a chair. Abba freak makes with my ningo. She want see my gringo. Oba want my money, my sauce a light pole. That's for me, baby, what's up from you? Ubu adi eko to from you. Manya fever, ti popo from you.
Shake your true move, shake your butter, say. Do you want me? She say, of course, sir. Before you think, know me, I have thought you. Me show pa my book. It's me flower kata woto pa.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Been there, done that, legendary, bad down. Real name, my boy never sell out. Shake my hand, we can hang out. We been around the world, yeah, Jinchi. Of course, I was applause. Imaya D, Omejani. Reggie, who can you ride the first album Drew Hall? Almost shaking, so almost see Jack Muffrey Hall, they be. Ghana Hana, ya walk, Nimayana, ya free, and you Miana, ya tour, okay. Who can you ride your cow canny jeans? Namunam Dazi, Namusha, some funny things. Chanada Romantic, Shana Mushebi, some little tip Violantiga, Tuanamu to be. Shout out to all the baller goons. Munam international much royal one news. Plenty brothers for this game will be loyal. Tupac Messier.
So many years, been around the world, everywhere. We stood there for here, we never go nowhere.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Let's do it like that.
And yes, indeed. Yeah. So yeah, Jada. This is a very beautiful Friday morning. And of course, it is a big Friday indeed. And we hear music from VVIP because this one book of hip life.
Lessons, strong and healthy, good looking old man. Here to answer your nosy questions. Now, how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driving.
Right, so 29 minutes past the hour then. And tune into the best mid-morning here on 3.3 FM. Of course, I'm driving you from 9 to 12 p.m. It's all about good music here on this particular frequency.
Come join the group, mate.
And yes, indeed, I am your host with the most. And as I'm seated, just relax. Because I'm ever ready to give you good music. And what else do you need? Folks, come aboard. My name is Jenny Champon Boateng Cosmos. Call me Jibru's Money. Call me Kwabena Costy. I'm now Branty Part the Perfect Gentleman. Right, so I'm in the studio together with Kobe K, Nana Topahin, and show produced by Akosia the Padumas. Here this morning, I'll be making sure everything is intact. Everything is going to be just perfect. So as I said earlier, I promise you a good show. It's a Friday, and you know what we do on Fridays. Music is on Abonichon. So if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekube Poeteme, I was day. If you speak Frafralawone, if you speak Grushi Quaitens in Macordia, you're finding me patrol home today. Right, so big shouts to all my taxi drivers. Right, so big shouts to man like a Pasco. Bright Weezy, a man like Stagawan. But year, and also Brad David, Raouf. Shouts to you, Kenarati Papa B. Right, so 31 minutes past the hour, we here. It's all about good music. Tell a friend, Kwabena Costy on your radio, and I'm back to make you shake your head. Nod your head. Your father gonna make you dance as well. You know what I'm saying? It's a Friday. This is the day we break every rules. Yeah. A particular day we break every rules. At the office, it's Friday. It's so exciting to be on the radio once again. And I love radio, especially on Fridays. Everything goes. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message. Question of the day. Right, so let me ask you this question. Were you actually impressed with the Black Stars performance yesterday? Were you impressed? Were you impressed with the Black Stars performance yesterday? And do you wish they qualified? Do you wish, say, you know, the Black Stars go, then go qualify? Right, so send your messages through 0594841044. And I'll read them for you. Wait my voice note as well. 0594841044. Let me know. Were you impressed with the Black Stars performance? And Black Stars for what we patrol so on. Now share performance here. Share no one because Yamayana. Now question I you send and say. Me patrol up Black Stars qualify and answer the idea. I want to tell baby now. Yes, we see this in your dollars in the home toy. And we catch up say any the Panzer Black Stars about 1-1. Or Sabon Sunday. Bafana for between fire so. Because the Bomadinia qualifier. The woman here, one, Akomatia Premium. Blasters Bomma Chibiana Yem Shosa. Second, the Sika, I mean, your taxpayers' money. And then Bronino. Now what dinner Kasaka here. As a Konon Kwanka Blasters unqualified. My patrol TMO. And then Asami Busada said, do you wish our team, our Black Stars qualifies? Would you come on qualify and answer Sunyanka? I would tell you answer. 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. And also, were you impressed with the performances yesterday? I mean, people are saying, hey, so Milovan is trying to tell us he can't find any perfect replacement for Thomas Partey. So we can't replace Thomas Partey.
You know I love you when you bring it back.
Right, so 33 minutes into the hour fine. And we're here to make your radio so fun and also exciting. And to send a message for 0594-841-044. If you know anyone who is also celebrating his or her birthday this morning, do well and send them through the same number. And I promise you I'm going to read them live on radio for you. 0594-841-044. 0594-841-044. Send them through. We're here to make your day a special one. Only if you chop your birthday this morning. Right, so me, I'm still my birthday week. Oh yeah, tonight Thursday could be, yeah man, Thursday go count out. So my birthday and then I'll be extra birthday, now I'm saying. Hey baba.
Have a blessed day.
Ghana, this is your girl Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Care for me and I care for you, baby. Oh, hold my hands and I hold you, lady. Oh, you be the one for me. Oh, and I'm for you. Oh, till eternity. You promise me you not gonna leave me lonely. I'll be there for you, baby. Don't worry. And if I hurt you, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, no. Baby, I love you too. I give you my heart. Oh. I wanna love you for life. Oh. I give you anything you want. Oh. Baby, oh. I just wanna marry you. I give you my heart. Oh.
Alright, so this early morning way Kobe they play love music like this. I sure say it's not up to something. Kobe, do you have any reason for playing this song? People they chop love that thing. Hey. As he say, Charlie, my guy they make call. When they tell the woman say, "Me born you be ti." Oh. Right, so Jupiter the General with Kwame UG, Eternity, good music. Right, so let me give you my motivational message this morning. It's very necessary. Say, I'll give you my daily dose of motivation. Now for your twasso. Yeah, in as much as I promise you a good show, and also, I promise you, I will give you good music, I still have to motivate you, even if it's Friday. I told you Fridays we are with the break every rules, but I still have to motivate you. Yeah, that is my job. That is what I love doing. What's your motivator? Kwabena the motivator. My man can't sound no sexy. It's my man in car. A man come who come from a Kwabena the motivator. Bema ube can be a damage no. Ube whom. So, my cousin. So when I was younger, I didn't know be other friend me many anje honda. Dada Kobi. Dada Kobi. As I didn't know me. Many a damn pan, I may friend me just so no mujaika. What is Dada Kobi? Dada Kobi, sir. You see a demon mempe. But there was this particular lady in our area, said and again the candy the name thereof. Candy Kobi. I was there be unquan them mempe. Oh, my can more be a fan friend. Dada Kobi. I never call him. I love my father for one reason. My papa me done for one reason. Or no one can be there. In as much as on Saturday dinner to me, one can be there. Or no can combine champon. Papa from us on him was a combine champon. I want to that Kobe that mempegra. But this girl, she was so sweet, Charlie. No nobody you know. Daddy Kobe. I was my with my just yes. Who will grow my man more from Kwabena the motivator. But Bema will can be there. My boy who says, a boy might come out born. I'm more motivation. I'm saying you have favorite to our shoulders. I can't be near the other for the same. Right, so in the meantime, file message for 0594841044. 0594841044, making kindly amount needs. When will be on the birthday, send the bra. We cannot try a weekend, no be all worry. When you've been so worried, the idea of a say man shouts. Send for 0594841044. Mom send me personal WhatsApp now. I am yase. Mama, my fans. The Bobu Dimbia, I'm bet you a cabin to ever so. Alright, so the life you are living now, all the hardship and trials is just a testimony rising up to be told. The life you are living now, all the hardship and trials is just a testimony rising up to be told. Right, so this one, when I saw this message, I was happy because that's a link came on me mini baby story. The life you are living now, all the hardship and trials are just a testimony rising up to be told. All the hardship now trials now I don't know how to say trials in tree, but the minimum say I say okay, mommy, break it down. Adia bia wonemu bia no hardship minimsa wonim hardship. Eti hardship bia wonemu obraden din bia wonemu, yeah. Yes, in so trials na so here. Yeah. Trials is not in so here, ja yourself. Okay, yeah, trials in so here. Eti in social bia wonemu, yeah. Adia bia wonemu eya o ya, adia bia wonemu ato adwendwen, adia bia wonemu aye problem kese bi da to abra boss no. Me say anope me catch say Bomading, na fa share with him say adansi die bi eba at the end of the trials, at the end of the hardship. Adie bia wo nemu bia no fa share with him say adansi die bi eba nko fa come say there is always light at the end of the tunnel. There is always light. Enkunimdie, yeah. Ewo ho ema obi a fa hardship mu, obi ofa trials mu, obi ofa amanie mu, obi ofa problem akase abuye mu no. Enkunimdie eda ho etwen wo. And the fashion with dreams that whatever you are passing through or whatever you are facing this moment, yeah, is just a passerby. Definitely a betwemako. A twemo konso definitely you're going to face light. Obehu enkunimdie kania no ewo wonim. Enti ade bia wo nemu se wodwuma sam na ye basa e na ye problem e na wadwe ho emre bi ba unsu adwuma ho biem unsu sika ho biem se waware e na wa your problem a nyame se emre bi ba unsu awo ho biem because obe wo ama wo man so awa ma wo just say wase aye bebre eti fasha wutrim se ne awo nemane no adanse die bi e da ho twen what in kobola be do that say it's the fasha wutrim sen kunimdie no e da ho twen. So the life you are living now, all the hardship and trials is just a testimony rising up to be told. So this morning, this is my daily dose of motivation. Make sure so be out here. Good morning.
Foxy on the beat,
Good morning, have a blessed day.
Are you ready for weekend? Any happy on my weekend? Tell him I hustle for Monday afternoon. I prepare for weekend. Me man in that, me man in that, All the days with the grind, with the work, with the dough. But today be no, me man in that, me man in that, My side came home for the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. My side came home on the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. Yeah, Jibia, boo boo bia, di bia, yeah bia, dog your problems there. Forget your sorrows there. Yeah, Jibia, yeah bia, boo boo bia, di bia, dog your sorrows there.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Foxy on the beat, Boyaka.
Are you crowd for weekend? I prepare for weekend. Are you ready for weekend? Any happy on my weekend? Tell him I hustle for Monday afternoon. I prepare for weekend. Me man in that, me man in that, All the days with the grind, with the work, with the dough. But today be no, me man in that, me man in that, My side came home for the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. My side came home on the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. Yeah, Jibia, boo boo bia, di bia, yeah bia, dog your problems there. Forget your sorrows there. Yeah, Jibia, yeah bia, boo boo bia, di bia, dog your sorrows there. Forget your problems there. Chilling mode with the caption. We can buy a compassion. Charlie, I deserve to feel some action. Friday night at Adwuma and Diati. My bread weekdays, you want me to yes, I'm a crowd of Yabra. But let me say continental and the red wine bar when say bread war. A jet one, I met him in Jessica. What time me and come coat come nika. I can drink me more nipetica. Me sum ya mean to mean sum sika. Yeah, papi bottles a glass and quan. If you get there, you're passing quan. You're too full where moon to gas and quan. You're sick chrome, so do a cash and quan. My side came home for the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. My side came home on the weekend. Me never be on the weekend. Me chillin' me home on the weekend. Me Jimmy on the weekend. Yeah, Jibia, boo boo bia, di bia, yeah bia, dog your problems there. Forget your sorrows there. Yeah, Jibia, yeah bia, boo boo bia, di bia, dog your sorrows there. Forget your problems there. We didn't move for weekend. I'm for weekend. Weekend.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yes, weekend. Tell him I hustle for Monday afternoon. I prepare for weekend. Me man in that, me man in that,
Show me a kapai, I go pull mama, I want to buy. No darling, show suya kanya, I go pull suma, I want it in yam. No darling, nothing no give up, everything will fit turn around. No darling, lot of money you pull it to bunny to manga. No darling, show me a kapai, I go pull mama, I want to buy. No darling, show suya kanya, I go pull suma, I want it in yam. No darling, nothing no give up, everything will fit turn around. No darling, lot of money you pull it to bunny to manga. No darling. Unkansura, unkansura. Noche kangani mama, kani mama. Ayana pamama, dukoto tabuni. Ampala chana nama, wana larga buni. Wani che faralana, kolyabo bundana. Kache kabundana, kolyabo nandana. Dezo nyindenye bora, makayi tama. Deye kita go to the kakuru song the nirba, the song the nirba, song the nirba.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Now hit me.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Before I say cheers, lend me your ears, make a vibe or something. Yo, man, you know be any long thing. Just wanna tell you my last trip to London. I did and down your carpet. London, you want in the groupies. Ooh, we me and my homie fuse. Go, everybody watching us like we's on the news. Too much money, too many booze. When you see Tom, tell them stay with the cruise. Wait, who's that girl there getting every man them here confused? Cause whenever she moves, she make everybody go so wild. Everybody go so wild. Anytime she wind down, she make everybody go so wild. Yes, my true confession, so no need for me to pretend. I love it when you teach me when I follow that trend. And if it's okay to date you, I want you more than a friend. Cause I can swear to you that truly, girl, you are heavenly sent. So baby, come and spend all my money. Come and spend all my money. If you want to be my jolly, you go never, baby. Come and spend money. Anytime, everybody goes so wild. Anytime she went down, she make everybody go so wild.
My sexy mama, pushing her like a drama. Raised in the Western world with the African style, but represent Ghana. She came round like she karma. I found her like she Osama. Why would I let her go when she moves so cool? Baby, give me a cover. So watch her move, baby, make me lose control. You the best, tell her more if you say so. Turn around, baby, do a 3-6. So when I buy you a house, don't wanna take you home. I can't watch her move, baby, make me lose control. You the best, tell her more if you say so. Turn around, baby, do a 3-6. So when I buy you a house, don't wanna take you home. Maybe I do. I want you here, that's my baby, my boo. I ain't never met a girl crazy as you, but one day I want us to say the I do.
She make everybody go so wild. Everybody go so wild. Anytime she went down, she make everybody go so wild. Everybody go so wild.
Right, so somewhere 2018 when this song came in, Charlie was a banger. It was a banger. Deep Crime is a gem, Charlie. Bring the song back. Deep Crime is a gem.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Now hit me. Deep Crime. You don't need to be told. Welcome to London, Deep Crime. Yes, sir. Okay, hold up.
Before I tell you this, I gotta tell you something.
Yo, man, it's been a long thing. Just wanna tell you my last trip to London. I did share London, I went in the cruises. Ooh, we everybody watching us like we's on the news. Too much money. When you see Tom, tell him stay with the cruise. Wait, who's that girl there getting every man them here confused? Cause whenever she moves, she make everybody go so wild.
And most definitely, whenever I'm on your radio, I'll make everybody go so wild. Charlie, I love this song. Right, so big shouts to Kwabena inside FPMC Media College. Big shouts, my brother. I want to say, big shouts to baby Ashishaye Niaze. Yeah, man. I for young command Madam Juliana Nate over Dance Salvation Army Church. And Ellie Mame also over a new Sakomono or Dan. I'm going to have a shouts and command. Mutia Hinkan 93.3 FM. 24/7, I just am ready to the Hassan. My baby, we do everything. Maybe I just send you messages of 0594841044. When you will be on the birthday and you want me to, reach them live on radio. Charlie, let's make their day special. Because it's their day. Just send them to 0594841044. And I'm here on radio for you. And then your question of the day. This is what we're asking this morning. Right, so we just want to know if you were very impressed
baby do a 360 when I buy you.
With the Black Stars performance yesterday, I don't know myself. I wasn't impressed at all because Ethiopia no be team way like we them for play like this. Ethiopian one and Kakotokura has been team number. Oh, Kakotokura has been team number. I don't go lie. So let me just know your opinion. Were you impressed with the yesterday's performance from the Black Stars? And do you wish they qualified? You go wish they make them qualify. Unya yang common qualify and answer with their count one count Toma Jumunda. Unya common Toma Jumunda now person qualify. Send them through 0594841044. Mama Swafre with an apple tray. Someone friend up as a board and so board when I'm a coach Milovania. We catch them say young cofa a chopper being come go see Nantechi. And I'm like, Nantechi so the anytime she wanna everyone she makes everybody go say Baba. Right, so Buakwa Herbal Clinic. Buakwa Herbal Clinic, watch more than Bangalow. I want to judge the Jabuati Fioha. Not Buakwa Herbal Clinic, the Debeme can say. I'm what the sign kind of firm. One man terms to see the comfort. They go send and coffee, Jama to send your Musan coffee already. FNA Konokake. Buakwa Herbal Clinic, watch more than here. The part was Arabia to say typhoid fever, malaria, diabetes, sexual weakness, infertility, skin rashes, thinking I was a brand on to us from Buakwa Herbal Misha. And so I'm sorry, I'm the Buakwa you miss about your man. So Buakwa you miss that. If you Buakwa Herbal Clinic for us, I'm the Buakwa you miss that. Now you make sure me patrol all forms of stomach pains. If it say all sania there, and it was a bra. Normal drone binano nomnia there, Buakwa tea mixture, and so for typhoid fever, and obviously all UTIs and also other infections. Was a brand to us one time. Mespin herbal team for hypertension and also diabetes. Mespin herbal team, free Buakwa Herbal Center. We are also into massaging and also detoxification with advanced massaging machines, detox machines and other. Yashebra now for diagnose you. Now you baby I am to yourself from my own parent out there. Buakwa Herbal Clinic will give you the best from an experienced medical practitioner from the Dr. Ofori. Actually, Yashebra now you to your running as you Arabia Tete, me patch me man. Menstrual problem now they are doing. I'm from Buakwa Herbal Clinic. I watch more than fresh 0240-226924 0240-2229. I beg your pardon, family so 0240-226924. We are correct. 0240-226924 and 0248-503-189 0248-503-189 for further details. Now our friend number is here now for our preparation. Wakwa the Joe one call Buakwa meaning baby episode Freaky Funky Friday. Yes indeed. And then you may my man Tozik DJ Tozik. So today my birthday go be something different because Tozik the can't tell and I am done tell me. I'm on you be. I'm to example. Oh, what's it? Ye payenda. Baby, kind those days for SS now. Yeah, boys hard. Yeah, Kwabena boys good care with. Yeah, payencio. You for. What's that same say? I tell that yeah. But doctor. Dr. DJ Tozik. Over town. What's that Tozik? Put you there. Hey, rather Jacob. And then
also Ghana move who came me Charlie when you been
and the nursing Tiantia the Tintimio.
Who came me
and the nursing with Tiantia with Tintimio.
Nana power that's so Charlie. If you get a feel
Yes, Christo.
Who came me young guy.
Yes, no up over the side. Now bag if you had the coin. Oh coin. Hey, yes, who came me? What's it? And the bag in there. As a soldier near your permanent free camp.
Yet a tinsem. Physical did a mimpem. Eva. You feel like over Nintem. My the put it and swire would denchem. For a question I would trend it. Charlie Momo no was send it. Corona Trinity na boys feel that they would than do. Or my chance to repent it. Next time, tell my boys Charlie Wagwan. Jamuni another bad one. When you be in a 1-1, forget you be a Alex Rebecca's a cab.
I draw better ye be pound. Shooting me. I draw better to say your kind Benya.
Be cock checking it.
I draw better to say what I know with you. Are you a pen kaka?
I was saying son
I draw better say a pen kata. You why me? You do all. You do all feature. I'm trying to have us here, Jeremy. Yeah, me ba. Joe, hate upon hate, music upon music. Stay tuned.
Eja mi nta adwuma
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we di anya mani son na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made afide kafukafo abomachi a mo petepete mkoko yifi ene na so biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enchiremu yagu koko yisu agu nanso da bia yebeba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wunua na metensempa maka bia kirewo na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no one di abebesere nokure wo mni se enura wodo e wodwa so ni nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omukọ nakranda entize wugu pe enye omohwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ni din ne akate ken
je wo kan ye nokure sanse entesa enka emma ne seida
akateken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro din ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum
akateken wa mama koma
okuani bi a opese obonu koko hu ban no wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi nto akateken eye koko nrumu nyina hene Rainbow Agro Sciences na die bedwa so babia yeto okuaye hu nro bia obenya bia to ho so open dudu matua fra homan 0240897074 ana 0243639920 akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem
Anobites ye duro bi anamisisi pa ya me yaye enso me no anobites no aboa me
adono manumbi na me to ase ntini mu na na etwetwe me pa na mu hwehwe me se de nyame adom nyina ejan
madro no aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom 1 bottle sisi me ne yire da be 30 minutes nti madro no de eye pa san fabra mo
me din de ya mesa yo to anobites ekono me ne ka so aboa me pa na misisi na ya me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye ekọ bibia akọ kama de se me tim bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yire ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me ma me tumrika ekotobi me no me ye no yare no akọ
Asha no bi tese no de do pa ase misisi ye me ya to ya nso no me ni na akọ me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do pa ebe boana ma na yare bi o ya
ano heba bitters and ano heba capsules enure ukotobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya biato ewo atimoda ha ochiniba drugstore and Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters ano bitters
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Prono Atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fa next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses ninyina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewa station bia wope. Ube wieno na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye juma. Ewa Ghana eni amano ninyina. Ye wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enunti no sauba, ushia experienced presenters omufi free media houses ahudum ewo omaiga na munyina. And some trajumana fan bia opa no. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs nibia, fraying ewo 0241 393534 0241 393534.
wedding cooling.
And you know my any just some no bedu Frimpon Enterprise Adwuma Osibronyen or Manaya or de Minia we enye akradio Nelson bibia obeto afri Frimpon Enterprise e free sabre e de kopem se bronya ni betemuno wo de achede sonko kra ne bekofie ani anu de achinie bi ani ho se achem dan ene ne mpotam ade wo pe supermall ani nyoma bo e da fom de a eno ani Frimpon Enterprise inti say yam esitri milk detergents toiletries just provisions bia open no one sabeka na se wo ye engagement program bia wo ye no se wo hia ensa dokodoko de announce champagne communion wine ni nyina ye wholesale price so wo beto de of Frimpon Enterprise a bampon nsem eye tight kronosem bi ani ho Frimpon Enterprise Adwuma rano no money na chi anya yakwan wo Achimodan or Mandarina Hotel or ne Achimodan station entrance no na ye ni mo hwe sanso na ne drink depot no ewo Mandarina any PPP office abansoro no entamu pe oni Adwuma ra enkasa wa homa iso 0244 897 525 0242 111 236 Frimpon Enterprise ana still Adwuma ra with deeper panache
Jesus Nurbano.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and dear Renny Pediano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Now what to say? Adama West African for asa Kenya wo hubio. E de trivo, edra, e kuma ate, akate, koko ntontom. Ene mo ahodo a e di koko nya, na se koko abre kuafo.
Me nua jai adanse akoko kuafo di for trivo ho nya agro. Kuafo nyina e bose kire se trivo kum wa mo ane sa. E ma koko no ho tono na asan asodoso. Enti amma koko kuafo botom ayede.
Na nika sam ne se, yemfa trivo bebre. Kakra bi, wo di atwa 10 miles. Nefa go moto bruno mu na fele nefa bo koko no bosome bia
trivo kum koko muamu no se kum nkosua nyina na eye adwuma basahare so se so bo trivo a woni haw ewo koko mu kra
guy say koko board for ahwehwem age atum se trivo eye do papa ye de kum koko muamu nyina so obi pe bi ato a onko agrochemical shop bia e ben no nchen na so pe no dodo atu aton so a onfre Adama West African for ewo 0544 343532 and a 0544 348821 and a 0544 325030.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I be them one of the figures say we no go do. If be now we do one with the skin pain. What's the work of them? I say now who be you? Yako pona don't think we they maintain. Stand up if you say woman me pressure. Just a cannon corner come and I'm from. Now so Jehovah name me protector. Yeah me baba you no so for shen
she ran a young tongue. Oh, win that. Yeah, we're best of criminal with a spin test. Tell it we be critical thinkers. Yeah, well, yeah, come go to Canada, come a singlet. But I'm for no one woman to one last year. But I feel the one who I make a law. The thing I mean, if I saw my book club yet, and I said, we came on a whom you tell it came cause every Victor. Oh, them say you know what you do, where you do, them you shall go. Fema fair, I'm a gone your vein, I'm gonna open a job. Cafe seeking bing, oh, feature, I'm gonna oh, feature. Cafe seeking bing, oh, feature, I'm gonna oh, feature. Them say you know what you do, where you do, them you shall go. Fema fair, I'm a gone your vein, I'm gonna open a job. Cafe seeking bing, oh, feature, I'm gonna oh, feature. Cafe seeking bing, what else? Yeah, I'm gonna oh, feature. One time for your skin pain. The devil always want to see me in pain, but the blessing will drive you insane. My brother on the done any musa laptop. Yeah, they make a home, so you me film. I feel with them, yeah, pack last stop. Fire, Google pass stop. Rolls Royce, Phantom, Fresh Boy, Handsome, Money Bag, Hamburg, Trinidad, all the way to Frankfurt. Who the man? Come talk. Come and see the girlies with the catwalk. Charlie me shiva no be small. More than mountain and fire so nobody go fi stand top.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I'm a gone your vein, I'm gonna open a job. Cafe seeking bing, oh feature. I'm gonna oh feature. Cafe seeking bing, oh feature. I'm gonna oh feature. Come on, let's go. Them say you know what you do, where you do, them you shall go. I'm a gone your vein, I'm gonna open a job. Cafe seeking bing.
Yo, Charlie Radio, so you tasty. It's a meeting, Kwabena Costy. Now I can FM 93.3. Cheers.
blessed day.
It was love at first sight. Names nanan into the no size.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Adina, and they call me Eugene. Oh yeah, yeah. You are the reason why I am still alive. 'Cause I depend on you so I can survive. I promise think of you, I go change my life. My baby waits for me, I will soon arrive. Me who are many Adina, when you are amazing Adina, full of confusion Adina, so I will do anything for your love. Oh, you are many Adina, when you are amazing Adina.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma, yeah, my cry. Oh, money, I'm calling. I need you right now. Oh, yeah. Make a blow. I feel the Miami show. Miami show, yeah. Miami show, yeah. Miami show. Money with you, mean to me. Hey, mean to me, oh, yeah. Mean to me, oh, yeah. Mean to me. I couldn't hear Dinyamio. I Dinyamio, Dinyamio. I just said, whoa. It could have been me gone, but I'm still here. So I'm so grateful, I'm humble set. So down to earth, I'm like a man no leg. Man no leg. I had another G's go.
Right, so this morning I was telling you about how
I'm humble set. So down to earth, I'm like a man no
leg. You actually see the light at the end of the tunnel. And this is a song dedicated to whoever is actually facing some, kind of hardship. You go blow, Charlie. You go blow. You go blow.
I need you right now.
See, dear God. If you hear my cry, I'm need some calling. I need you right now. Where I am pie. Come be careful, Bob. Where I am pie. Right, so to all my hustlers in town, all my street boys, I don't pay them pie body. You ready? That's right.
What else?
Alright, so music from Beat for Bona. Feature Sarkod on this one. Dear God.
I'm money, I'm calling. I need you right now.
Dear God.
Dear God. If you hear my cry, I'm calling. I need you right now.
Make a blow, yeah. Make a blow, yeah. Make a blow. Hey.
Miami show.
Miami show, yeah. Miami show, yeah.
Miami show.
Hey. Mean to me, oh, yeah. Mean to me, oh, yeah. Mean to me. Hey, Ajinyamio, Ajinyamio, Ajinyame. And yes, indeed, Ajinyame.
So I'm so grateful.
Ajinyame.
So down to earth.
We are so grateful. Breaking every rule, radio. Alright, so this is the brunch show. Bye. I will give you other flex on the radio. We make sure you know you listen to good music. And what else do you need? I sure say you the dance. On sounds not just our Sabio. Ya really percent show. But see me. And you may wait there. Was be na be. Now, Tia, who hear me here, you see, Friday, you may be a boys. I am a cancer one. Friday, Debia. Boys, be Brena and AJ. Because we are, you know, on our way to the weekend. Charlie, we go make sure, say, you G and idea. Until Friday, said you ready. Don't fake come easy, crowd. The bottles and table churches.
What you really want from me, nigga?
I'm a preacher, now my sister G. I just saw home foul to be in Kobe. I just saw making sure I saw home foul. What's your paw? That is why I recommend to you the best immune system in town. The best sister. Kobe, that's a immune system. I said sister. I could be yale. Right, so the best immune booster. Hey. Patrol, Imbu cell bar mixture. Imbu cell bar mixture. Fresh source of any chronic disease. Imbus will help you to get relief of all. And also, it is good for both the strong and the sick. It's a Mousan Kebi. Imbu cell bar mixture. Wow. Now, for what many holding immune system on the many holding pan. If I try drugstore, be able to be able to be able to. 0246-208-496 0246-208-496 and 05407-10113 05407-10113 Beba cho fresh is here now fe and sort you out. Baby to talk. Dia. Aba. Me kai those days na me bra penny. And you me the manu beats no swato. E kwa ready na.